it means expanding broadband access to millions of Americans so business can compete on a level playing field wherever to make college more affordable for millions of middle-class Americans for whom the cost of higher education has become an unbearable burden. We're expanding federal Pell Grants for students, increasing them to keep pace with inflation in the coming years, and putting the program on a stronger financial footing. To deliver better care in more places, we're expanding and increasing VA healthcare, building new wounded warrior facilities, and adapting care to better meet the needs of female veterans, and expanding VA hospitals and healthcare, and adapting care to better meet the unique needs of female veterans. We're creating a single electronic health record that our troops. Construction is expanding at the fastest rate in near and govern responsibly by putting our focus back where it should always be, on creating new jobs, growing our economy, and expanding opportunity not just for ourselves but for future generations. Thanks. After all, our focus as a country this year shouldn't be shrinking our economy, but growing it. Not narrowing opportunity, but expanding it. Not fewer jobs, but doing everything we can to help our businesses create more of the good jobs that a growing middle class requires. And from expanding tax cuts for working parents, to raising high school graduation rates, to helping millions of Americans secure health insurance when they didn't have it just a few years ago, our actions are making a difference. It means expanding that opportunity to every American willing to work for it, no matter what zip code they were born into. It would make critical investments in things like drug monitoring programs, equipping more first responders to save more lives, and expanding medication-assisted treatment programs, including in our prisons.
We have to do everything from enhancing prevention efforts, expanding access to care, forging an international commitment to fight cancer.
Now, even if we accept all of the economic and moral reasons for providing affordable coverage to all Americans, there's no denying that expanding coverage will come at a cost, at least in the short run. But we are going to be taking steps as part of reform to deal with expanding primary care physicians and our nursing corps. We're expanding access to your health care, not reducing it. We are talking about. So through the Recovery Act, the NIH is expanding the Cancer Genome Atlas, collecting more than 20,000 tissue samples to sequence the DNA of more than 20 types of cancer. And that means creating alternate pathways to teaching for talented young people by expanding programs like the one used in Boston, where aspiring teachers work side by side with effective mentors in a year-long residency.